If you held KLA Corporation last week, your $100 is now worth a $125. We're breaking down last week's 5 biggest movers. What actually happened, why it happened, and what you need to watch when the bell rings Monday. Let's go. Everyone's laser focused here, and the suspense isn't going away soon. Number 1. KLA Corporation, ticker KLAC. Up 25.4% this week, closing at $254.54. KLA's Monster Week came as chip sector optimism hit fever pitch, powered by better-than-expected earnings and a tailwind from AI hype. Plus, whispers about increased demand for advanced semiconductors kept the buying frenzy alive. Monday's open might test whether the rally got ahead of itself. Watch for profit-taking or another leg up if bullish sentiment holds. Analysts will be looking at volume and guidance to see if the momentum is real. This chart just did a perfect backflip. Nobody saw it nailing the landing. Number 2. Applied Materials Inc. or ticker, AMAT. Up 19.2% this week, closing at $567.25. Applied Materials rode a tidal wave of positive sentiment after posting standout results and raising its outlook. Classic case of being in the right spot as the AI manufacturing rush heats up. Investors piled in on high volumes, trying not to miss the train. Keep an eye on Monday for follow-through or a possible cool-down. This one's at risk of overextension if the news flow slows. Analysts will be scrutinizing any updates on supply chain or guidance. Suddenly on everyone's watch list, something bigger might be brewing. Number 3, Lam Research Corporation, ticker LRCX, up 15.1% this week, closing at $366.81. Lam Research soared as investors rotated heavily into anything with a silicon pulse after strong macro data and surprisingly upbeat industry commentary. Hype from peers and sector-wide momentum kept this one running hot. Next week could challenge those gains if profit takers show up, or if anything disappoints on the news front. Monday's open will test how much FOMO is left in the tank. Old dog, new tricks? This move just stunned Wall Street. Number 4, Intel Corporation, ticker INTC. Up 12.2% this week, closing at $124.57. Intel's rally shocked many, helped by signs of a turnaround in its data center business and broader optimism for legacy semis getting a piece of the new AI pie. Volume was off the charts as investors speculated on a comeback narrative. The big question Monday, was this a dead cat bounce or the start of something meaningful? Expect Wall Street to be laser-focused on guidance and revenue breakdowns. Big box, big surprise. Everyone's waiting to see if it holds. Number 5, Target Corporation, ticker TGT. Up 10.8% this week, closing at $135.23. Target ran higher as retail showed surprising resilience and the company managed to dodge some of the worst consumer headwinds. Strong shopper data and rumors of margin improvements kept hopes alive. Monday will be all about whether this is a lasting shift or just a short covering burst. Watch for reaction to any macro or consumer spending news. Analysts will be looking for confirmation before calling this more than a relief rally. That's your week in stocks. You're now more prepared for Monday than 99% of retail investors, which honestly isn't hard, but still. Subscribe so you never walk into a market week blind. And remember, this is for entertainment only, not financial advice. Do your own research.